Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gogul Goban and today we are in here for an adventure because today we are looking for a secret waterfalls. I'm sorry, it's just me, right? We are in here for a secret waterfalls, the Kothayar Waterfalls. And here we are guys, we are in Pechi Forest Reservoir. So let's go guys, I guess this is gonna be an awesome trip but still it's raining. Let's go guys, let's head to the place and let's go. So friends, now we are entering the Kothayar lava division. So this Kutiya waterfall is located in this lava division. The way to the road I saw something. So guys, this is the biggest, the fattest rubber tree that I saw in my entire life. Look how huge it is guys. So guys, I told you right, I just saw a really big rubber tree, but each one of these things are really getting bigger and bigger. Look at this. I'm coming from a place where there is a lot of rubber trees, but this one is actually really fat, large, a giant one guys. Let's go. So the place that we are entering right now is actually the part of both Pechi Forest and Shenrai Forest reserves, and this also include a dam site. So let's get inside guys. So friends, we reached malay right now, and what I'm gonna show you is gonna stun you guys. Look at that beauty guys. And this waterfall, yes, this waterfall is located in the malay, and this is on the water side guys. So this waterfall is quite visible from this bridge itself, and it's really beautiful. And yes guys, if you guys are passing through Kothayar division or Kothayar lava division, you guys have to pass through this malay, and really it's a feast to your eyes. So friends, a couple of hours of travel, we got really hungry. So this is a canteen located in the Kothayar, and we got really hungry. So we ordered appam, and really tasty. This is the coconut chutney. This is actually a combination of chili and coconut, and believe me guys, this appam and this chutney is a really crazy combination. But coming up next is my favorite. So this is actually a traditional sambar which we South Indians usually enjoy. So the next thing is sambar. So for my friends who doesn't know what sambar is actually, can be said to as a lentil soup, because it's really blend, a mix of varieties of vegetables, and it's really tasty guys. Food here is really crazy and amazing because it's really prepared by just firewood. They don't use gas or electricity or something, they just use firewood, and the taste of it was really awesome guys. So guys, as I was finishing, the lady over here gave me a huge omelette, and really was sizzling hot, and that was also prepared in firewood guys. And the pepper here, when I just put pepper on my omelette, the smell of it was really crazy. So I asked them, how come this be so fragrant? They said it's grown over here and it's dried, and they make it into dust in this form guys. It was really fragrant. The omelette was crazily, amazingly tasty guys. It was really awesome. So we finished our breakfast, and we were heading to our first destination, which is Irtayarvi or Twin Falls. So way to this Irtayarvi, the road over here was really beautiful guys. That's what I thought. It's worth sharing with you guys. Look at that greenery. So friends, we reached one of our destination, which is Waterfall or Twin Falls, as we know. So on my right you can see rubber plantation. This is actually government rubber plantation, and on my left side this is actually dense forest. This is a reserve forest of the Kothayar Forest Department. So getting into this place, I needed a guide. He's actually a tribal guide from here, because this place is really misleading and this is a reserve forest. So you have to be careful while coming to this place. Now talking about this, the population and all, we have around 42 tribal settlements here, and most of them came when the Kothayar Dam was built. So they have around like colonies or something for them to live on, and the place is not owned by them, it's by the government itself. So this is our first destination. Now we have to go for the Kothayar Falls. So this is the Waterfall Twin Falls, guys. So friends, this is our second destination and we are on the way, and this is Kothayar Waterfalls, and we have to actually trek for a couple of kilometers, and let's go guys, let's check what's there inside that waterfalls. Let's go. So guys, we had a couple of bun for our snacks, so we plan to give it to these puppies here, and they really liked it. And the great and crazy thing is that they kept on following us. They didn't expect anything, still they were following us. And the person that you see, my friend, is actually the guide who helped us to get into this place. Guys, blue, pure blue, guys. Wow, it's blue in color, guys. These guys have been following us since like, I don't know, many kilometers. I just gave them 2 bun, that's it. Because we have to cross this river. Okay guys, let's go. let's go guys. Places will be so dangerous, you have to be so careful so that you have a person with us. He knows this stuff. So let's go guys. This is so hard guys. What a combination guys. So thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe if you guys enjoyed it. And this trip was really an adventurous one because we are still in this reserve forest. So if you guys are entering in this place, you should be having a permission from the forest department, and also you should be having a guide from this local area. So we had a guide with us, that's why it was really easy for us, and he guided through all these ways, and it was really an awesome trip. And if you guys enjoyed, please like, share and subscribe, and if you guys want more, please share this video. So let's go.